Heavy rains starting in Seoul's Gwanak-gu and Seo-cho-gu have caused widespread inundation. As a response to the devastating disaster, Seoul City announced a plan to support the citizens through local taxes. Seoul now exempts acquisition taxes if a citizen suffers from damage done to automobiles, machines, and buildings due to a natural disaster, and replacements take place within 2 years. It also has arranged that automobile taxes will not be imposed from the date of inundation. By the way, how are these possible in terms of laws? Let's learn about natural disasters from the perspectives of laws. What is a natural disaster? The Chinese word for natural disaster combines the words disaster from God and earth shock from the ground. It refers to a phenomenon that, through quick changes in our nature, causes harm to human properties and lives. Types of natural disasters: tsunamis, storms, floods, drafts, lightning, yellow dust, typhoons, hailstones, heavy snowfall, heat waves, and heavy rain are a few examples of typical weather-related disasters. Avalanche, landslide, earthquake, volcanic eruption, and sinkhole are examples of geographical disasters that take place below the ground. Every place has a distinctive natural environment with its own unique climate and soil characteristics. Consequently, the order of natural disasters varies by region. Natural disasters involving rain or water happen in Korea during the summer, and those involving snow happen during the winter. Natural disaster in laws. In the entire world, the concept of natural disaster is used in the laws and agreements contracts. Then, why do the laws and agreements contracts regulate natural disasters? Basically, laws and agreements contracts are promises. Then, what shall one do if he/she has broken the promise due to a reason not attributable to himself/herself? In this case, mostly, if it is recognized that the promise has not been kept for a reason that cannot be altered by someone no matter how hard he/she tries, he/she will be exempted. This is called exemption from force majeure. Force majeure means a certain power that cannot be resisted by humans alone. This is a concept that is used to prevent a legal responsibility from becoming excessively harsh. A natural disaster is a representative force majeure. Most of the laws and agreements contracts regulate natural disasters as one of the reasons for immunity from a legal responsibility. The inundation from this heavy rainfall has become subject to use of the concept of a natural disaster. If a car falls into water due to rain and cannot be used, insurance companies will compensate. Also, there will be no extra charge for damages coming from a natural disaster. If a car is bought, acquisition taxes will be reduced.